Exploring the phrase, from the old school. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere, from the old school. This phrase carries a lot of meaning and history, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and usage. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, from the old school, refers to someone whose attitudes, methods, or styles are based on or influenced by the traditions and norms of the past. It's often used to describe individuals who adhere to what they believe are the best practices from earlier times, even when newer ways of doing things exist. This phrase can carry both positive and negative connotations, depending on the context. Positively, it might suggest reliability, professionalism, and a strong work ethic. Negatively, it could imply stubbornness or an unwillingness to adapt to modern methods. Understanding where and how phrases originate can provide valuable insights into their meanings. The term, old school, suggests a connection to educational institutions from the past, embodying the values and traditions upheld by these places. Over time, from the old school, has transcended its literal reference to schools, becoming a metaphorical way of referring to traditional values or methods in various aspects of life, including work, art, and personal conduct. To better grasp the phrase's usage, let's look at some examples. 1. Despite the new technology available, he's still from the old school and prefers doing things manually. 2. She's a teacher from the old school who believes in discipline and hard work above all. 3. Our coach is from the old school. He emphasizes fundamentals and teamwork. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to different scenarios, highlighting a preference for traditional methods or values. Use, from the old school, when you want to describe someone's traditional approach or values in a specific context. It's important to consider the connotation you wish to convey. If you aim to praise someone's traditional values positively, ensure the context supports this interpretation. Conversely, if you're critiquing an unwillingness to adapt, be clear and respectful in your usage. Remember, language is powerful, and using phrases like, from the old school, can add nuance and depth to your conversations and writings. We hope this exploration of the phrase, from the old school, has been enlightening and will enrich your English language learning journey. Whether you're describing someone's traditional approach in a positive light or discussing the challenges of adapting to new methods, understanding and using this phrase can add a layer of depth to your communication. Thank you for joining us, and happy learning!